Alright, you wanna sell this one, right?
Yep.
And you're saying this one is unlocked.
Unlocked.
Bro, it says clearly here that SIM lock. Look, it says carrier lock.
Look.
What do you want to bet?
I want you to put a SIM card in
Okay,
there.
I'm gonna put it.
Okay.
How much you wanna bet?
I don't know. We'll
I'll take your iPhone. Brand new iPhone.
We're gonna figure it out
If
after.
there's unlock, I'm gonna give you $1,000. If not, I'm gonna take your iPhone. I'm gonna take your iPhone.
I'm obviously not gonna bet against you.
Why not?
You feel me? Because you work in the phone store.
It doesn't matter. I tell you, it's not
I
unlocked.
strongly believe that's unlocked.
It already says here, SIM
I
lock.
strongly believe it's unlocked.
Bro, it says here, SIM lock.
I believe that you can put a SIM card in there and it'll work.
I'm gonna put it, but it says here, SIM lock, carrier lock, it's SIM lock.
Alright, okay, well I think it's
If it was unlocked, it will say no SIM restrictions.
it's unlocked.
This guy. Okay. I'm gonna take your iPhone. Brand new.
We ain't shaking hands.
Alright, this one is T-Mobile SIM, so we're gonna put AT&T SIM in there. Here, I'm putting the AT&T SIM, so. Here, what does it says? Activation required. And what did I tell you? It's not unlocked. Why you say it's unlocked?
Where you see that at?
Here. If it was unlocked, it will
say
say on the home
SOS.
page.
It said SOS.
If it was unlocked, it will say on the home page. It clearly says that the carrier lock, it's SIM lock.
Hold on, man. I feel like you playing with me or something.
How? I'm taking
Put your Wi-Fi in there.
I will put my Wi-Fi, but how? Why don't you believe
That
it?
ain't right.
Why?
It's paid off. It's
Doesn't
unlocked.
paid off doesn't mean
If
it's gonna be
paid
unlocked.
off, it should be unlocked. Right or wrong? My
Wrong.
other phone, just like that, on the same plan, I gave it to somebody and they put their SIM card in there.
Okay, so I put the Wi-Fi. Wait, so it's gonna say no SIM not supported. Here, how? SIM not supported. If
The
this
SIM
was
card
on,
not on it.
what are you talking about?
It's not activated.
Doesn't matter. It don't have to be
Nah, it
activated.
gotta be activated, dude. Gotta be your phone
Bro.
on there. You put a
It don't-
dead ass SIM card in there.
Doesn't matter.
You put a dead SIM card
Oh
in
my
there.
god.
Ain't no way.
Okay, give me your SIM card.
The phone, huh?
What company do you
I got
use?
T-Mobile. I'm the same plan. How
The
I got new
T-Mobile is not
phones,
gonna
'cause
work.
I paid that off.
Bro,
This is the phone off that plan because I paid it off.
look. I'm going again the settings. The carrier lock says SIM lock. Right there. It says SIM lock.
All right, so what's going on?
Go on your phone. Your phone is unlocked?
Not my phone. I told you I just got this one.
Okay, so it's unlocked. It says no SIM restrictions. Thank you for the phone. Appreciate you. I got a new iPhone. Brand new.